Here's the app called PicLumen AI image generator. So you can just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. And PicLumen is your go-to AI image generator, turning simple text prompts into breathtaking artwork in seconds. Whether you're exploring your creativity or designing visuals, PicLumen make it easy and fun to bring your imagination to life. Create AI images from text, generate stunning visuals from reference, import images or photos for editing, community hub, tools for customization. And yeah, so that's the idea of this app, already making it into top charts in graphics and design in US App Store. So here it is. You can just easily go and try to create. You need to sign in actually to start creating images. You can claim daily rewards. Okay, great. And then I just want to create, describe your vision, adjust image parameters, and generate. What I want to draw. Then you can adjust your parameters. You can select a model, image reference, prompt magic, seed, aspect ratio, and then just tap to generate. So as you can see, it's generating because you're getting some free credits for a start. So you're getting some 10 free credits. So here, as you can see, that's the image. I think it's quite good actually. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you have tools, and then you can explore, and yeah, so that's kind of what it is. You have, if you want, you can buy more lumens, and then seems they have some kind of subscription where you can get awarded. So there's reward center. So if you do all of these things, if you share it, if you let's check it out, what else on, if you join Discord, if you get likes, if you leave comments. So that's basically the idea in here. So yeah, something around that. So try it out.